If you're preparing for the AZ-900 exam and want to learn about Azure Tables, you're in the right place. In this video, let's discuss everything you need to know about Azure Tables and what they are, their key features, how their structure works, and most common use cases, plus some essential exam tips to help you ace your test. What are Azure Tables? Azure Tables is a NoSQL data store for structured, non-relational data. Think of it as a giant, flexible spreadsheet in the cloud. It stores massive amounts of data, has no fixed schema, perfect for structured data. And some key features. Its scalability. It handles petabytes of data. It's flexible. Its schemaless design, meaning you can use columns or graphs instead of using strict rules in designs for data. It's cost-effective. You pay for what you use. It has high availability, 5 nines of availability. Let's talk about the table structure. Azure Tables use entity size up to 1 megabyte. An entity is a set of properties similar to a database row. In Azure Storage, an entity can be up to 1 megabyte in size. For the next two items, the partition key and the row key. Imagine you're back at school and you have a school binder. Think of the different sections in your binder, such as math, science, English, etc. Partition key is like the label math on the divider. It tells you which section or partition to look at. The row key is a unique page within that section. Inside the math section, you have different pages for homework, notes, quizzes, and so on. The row key is like the title or number you write at the top of the page, so you can find a specific homework or quiz quickly. So how it works together. If you need to study for a test, you may want to review the chapter quizzes. But first you flip to the math section, which is the partition key, then you look for the page labeled quizzes. This combination helps you find exactly what you need quickly. In Azure Tables, the partition key groups similar data together, like all the math work, and the row key makes each item unique within that group, like each math page. The partition key is the binder section such as math, and the row key is the unique page in that section. It could be the quizzes or your algebra homework or anything like that. And when you put them together, you can easily find the data you're looking for. Properties. Up to 252 per entity. The properties are the name-value pairs, such as the name is the key, Christy would be the value. Some use cases. Azure Tables excels at storing flexible datasets, holding web app user data, storing device information, metadata storage, and building scalable applications. Now for the exam tips. Understand Azure Tables are part of Azure Storage. It's ideal for storing structured, non-relational data. It's known for flexibility with structured data. It's scalable and flexible. And there you have it, Azure Tables demystified for the AZ-900 exam. And good luck with your exam, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Azure Quick Guides.